everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. It's the first of the unboxings for the month of May. Let's get straight into it because I'm really excited about this box. A little bit of a kind of more of a mystery box this month. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Glossybox. Now then, this Glossybox this month, I've actually received it probably the earliest I've ever received one of my Glossyboxes. So I'm really hopeful that this month I do get what I'm meant to be getting. The only reason I say that is because this is sort of a special themed box. It's called the Wild Thing. There are two different designs of the outer boxes that we can be getting. One is a leopard print, one is a zebra print, and then there is a multitude of different variations of different things that you can be getting with inside your box and the value, overall RRP value of the box. So that's why it's still in its outer packaging. I've not opened it yet. For anybody who doesn't know, Glossybox is a worldwide subscription service. This obviously is the UK box. Prices in the UK start from £10 per month plus £3.25 for your box and can go down as low as £8 a box plus your £3.25 postage and packaging. So yes, are we ready? Let's get into it. Let's see what we've got here. I'm hoping for the zebra. I am really hoping for the zebra. You lot are going to see before me. Oh, it looks like the leopard. It is. This is the leopard box. Now, I don't know whether I already told you, but this is variation 7. This one. Here we go. Let's grab everything out. So first of all, let's have a look at the box. Let me pull it back a wee bit. There we go. Not sure if you can see. Beautiful black box with the gold embossed leopard print design. On the side it says Wild Thing. There we go. So let's get into it. Let's see what I've got, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, are you ready? As usual, beautifully packaged with our little leaflet in the top that tells us everything about the products that's in our box this month. On the back, we always get a sneak peek for the next month's, one of the products that's going to be in everybody's box next month. And in June, we are going to be getting... Oh, we're going to be getting a Huda Beauty item, and it's a double-ended eyeliner. It's a liquid liner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other. RRP of this is £18. And yeah, it looks good. I'm excited about that coming in next month's box. There we go. Alrighty, so if you're not already a subscriber to Glossybox, I do have a refer a friend code which gets you a discount and it gets me a little bit of credit with them as well. Referral links, websites, all be down below in the description box, so just press show more and it'll bring up all the information for you. So here we go. Because we have the leopard box, we have gold inside, gold tissue paper inside. I'm going to try and undo this as carefully as I can. There we go. Okay, here we go. It actually smells quite nice in the box this month. So, sneak peek from last month, and this is an item that everybody gets in their book, is the Steve Laurent, whoops, wrong side, Steve Laurent little mini eyeshadow palette. Now then, this is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to take it out the outer box. There we go. Lovely, sleek inner packaging. Not sure if I'm going to be able to see that because of the ring light. There we go. Black packaging with the gold Steve Laurent on the top. And inside, oh, okay, this is a little bit smaller size-wise than I anticipated. Not that I'm complaining about that though, because these little size eyeshadow palettes are really handy. Now I have to say, this is a very neutral palette. Here we go, here's the colours. Okay, now for me personally, these two here are probably the most interesting. And, you know, for me, picking a palette and using colours out of it, those two are definitely the ones that I'm drawn to. Everything else, fairly bog standard, fairly, you know, in your neutral tones. You've got, what we got? We've got 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. Nice ratio, not bad at all. You've got sort of a pinkier shimmer up here, more of a orangey bronzy one, or more goldy orange I should say, and then a bronzy one here. This one looks like a little bit more, yeah, of like a darker antique-y gold shimmer. That's quite nice as well. There we go. Just do your little swatch on the back of the hand. So the shimmers swatched out quite nicely. Let's just have a look at this darkest, just doing the darkest matte. Okay, there we go. I can't quite make my mind up if it's a grey or a brown. Here we go, let's put that at the side. Still not sure. I think it's more of a black. Black with maybe a browny, greeny, you know, sort of that dark, funny browny black colour that you can get. Not bad, not bad. There we go. So I will use this palette. Obviously, you've just seen me swatch a couple of items off of there. So I will be keeping it. I will do a look out of it. Like I say, for me personally, a little bit on the neutrally side, but you know, you've got to appeal to the vast majority of people, and not everybody likes bright purples and blues and things like I do they? So there we go. That's item number 1. Now I'm just going to quickly read about it because I do believe, yes, that is a full-size product and it's a newly launched product as well. The RRP of this is £31. There we go. So yeah, be interesting to try that, and I'll let you know, of course, what I think to it and its performance when I get around to it. Item number 1. Item number 2. Okay, this is by the company called EOS, and it is a lip balm. It's a sphere lip balm. You got depending on which box you receive either sweet mint or pomegranate and raspberry or strawberry sorbet. So one of 3 flavours you can get. This one I would assume is the mint one. Yep, it even says sweet mint on the top. You can smell the mint actually coming through. It's 100% natural with organic oils and shea butter. It's dermatologically tested, that's good. Not tested on animals, even better. Yeah. Now then, was I excited when I saw that potentially there could be a lip balm in the box? No. Why? 2 reasons. Number 1, I've got quite an amount of lip balms at the moment, so I don't really need another one, to be perfectly honest. Number 2, we literally got a lip balm in last month's Glossybox, so you're kind of like, 2 lip balms on the 2 months on the bounce. Anyway, it's not a problem. I do like the fact it's in sweet mint. That's a little bit different to your normal flavourings that you get. So I might well keep this, and I might well pop it in my drawer, and it can be there ready and waiting for when my other lip balms run out. The RRP of this, by the way, is £6.50. So an EOS, it's meant to be a good make. So again, we shall wait and see. But that was item number 2. Item number 3. Oh, wow, okay. This is a sheet mask. It's the OK company, and it's the SOS sheet mask, and it's another full-size product. The lip balm was full-size as well. And you'll receive one of 3 different styles. They've all got different things on them. So this one is the peacock one. There's also a leopard print one and a Dalmatian print one. Now, for me personally, I love peacocks. I love the colours in peacock. I like the bird as well. In fact, a village not far away from me has its own resident peacock. It's quite funny. Yeah. I like getting sheet masks. So yeah, the fact it's the peacock one I'm very pleased about. This has got witch hazel in it, which is really, really good for problematic skin. Witch hazel helps to pull impurities out, and it also helps to shrink your pores. It just says suitable for daily use. It's suitable for, it's vegan friendly, not tested on animals. Excuse me. I'm not quite sure if it's been dermatologically tested or anything like that, because this is a Korean brand. But yeah, actually, I like that. I do like that. And the RRP of that is £4. Alrighty. And the next one. Ooh, what colour's this? Oh, wow. Right, okay. So the next item is yet another full-size item. We're doing well for full sizes this month, Glossybox. And it is a glitter eye pencil. You could get one of 6 different colours. And this is by the brand Stargazer. Let me see. The RRP is £2, and I'm really, really pleased. Yay! I've got the mauve one. I've got the purple one. Yay! Which, if everybody knows me, you know my favourite colour in the world is purple. So for once, yay! Something's actually in my sort of colour. That's really, really awesome. I'm really pleased with this. In fact, because it's in the purple, obviously I'll be keeping it. So let me just try and open it if I can, and we will do a little swatch. There we go, we're in eventually. And what I've just noticed is the pencil and the lid, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, it's actually got little glittery sparkly particles in the lid, which I think is really cute. And let's have a go, let's have a look. Let's see, whoops, did a bit just drop off the end there? Yep, the tip just broke, but oh wow, it's quite a soft pencil. Yeah, that's ace. Oh, that's an awesome colour. It's got bluiness and a silveriness to it as well. Wow, I like that. That is lovely, and for once, a colour that I will use. Yay! Wicked. And the fact that it's only £2, that's really good for an eyeliner pencil. £2, I mean, come on. Brilliant. And the last product in the box is yet another full-size item. So we're all full-size items, 5 full-size items this month, ladies and gentlemen, in our glossy boxes, which is brill. Okay, and this is by the make Mudmasky. Now, I do know these are not a cheap make. We have had a Mudmasky product from Glossybox before, and it was basically an overnight moisturiser. They called it a sleeping mask and what have you. And I liked that, don't get me wrong, but the tube of that was, the RRP was like £40 odd, £44 or something. I mean, it was nice, but it weren't worth that amount of money in my opinion. This, however, is a hair mask, scalp treatment and miracle shampoo. Apparently it's a 3-in-1 formula. It's pH balanced, repairs, strengthens, hydrates, moisturises the scalp, helps with dandruff control. All natural ingredients, paraben and sulfate free, not tested on animals. Yeah. Apply onto wet hair and massage into scalp and hair, leaving for about a minute and then rinse thoroughly with water. And apparently it's gentle enough for everyday use. Okay. Suitable for all hair types which need special care and attention, and especially for damaged hair after a chemical treatment, dyeing, bleaching, etc. Yeah. Alright, well, that I'm actually really interested to try. So here we go. I don't think I've shown you the actual tube, have I? There we go. So it's a 75ml tube, again, like I say, another full-size product, and that RRP is £21. So let's just do a recap and a quick tot-up. We have our Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette at £31. We have our Mud Masky hair treatment, shampoo hair treatment at 21, so that's 52. Eye pencil at £2.54. The sheet mask at £4, that's 58. And then we have the lip balm at £6.50. So added to the rest, in total, this month's Wild Thing box is worth £64.50 in total. Now, the subscription plan that I'm on, I pay £11.75 for the box, so I'm getting just under 6 times the cost of the box in the value of the products. What do I think to this month's box? Well, actually, I think it's quite a nice curated box. You've got a little bit of everything. You've got the eyeshadow palette, you've got the eyeliner, you've got the lip balm, which obviously if you're not somebody who wants to use lipstick or anything, you can just use to give your lips a shine. Then obviously after you've taken your makeup off and you want to give a good old cleanse, you've got your sheet mask and then something for your hair. So overall I think it's a nice box, a nice amount of value. Like I say, the only couple of slight things I've got about it, do we really need a second lip balm, you know, 2 months on the trot? Maybe not. But they may be experiencing difficulties at the moment getting hold of products. So, you know, at the end of the day, we've still got a product in there. They've not took it down to just 4 items or whatever. So, you know, the eyeshadow palette, very, very neutral, very basic in that respect. Nothing exactly out there or wild and wacky or, you know, for me personally, nothing overly inspiring. But anyway, that's my thoughts and feelings on the Glossybox, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. If you have enjoyed this video and you've not already hit that subscribe button, I'd love it if you'd consider doing so. It doesn't cost you anything. Either the little red button down below or the circle icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks. I've just started doing a live stream on a Friday night as well. That's 8 PM every Friday night, London time. So please come and join me for that. We have a good old giggle and a natter about absolutely anything. Okay, I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe, keep well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.